This little trick has been around for a while. It's called GodMode. And I think the name GodMode, the term GodMode, I think it comes from the cheat code that you used to do in Doom. You used to be able to do in Doom to give you invincibility and stuff. But GodMode for Windows 10 and Windows 11 refers to a control panel that's more than what you see here. So this is the standard control panel for Windows 10, and I think Windows 11 is similar. I think this is what they call Metro. I believe this goes with the new Metro styling that like the Windows Store and the UWP apps are. But at any rate, this is the modern style. So like you can click System, there's Display, and there's Sound. And there's lots of settings that are sort of deeper in here. If you keep clicking on links, you get to all of these additional settings that are further in. What GodMode does is it gives you access to settings like that right from basically one click. And it's basically in Windows Explorer, but it's kind of more similar to the Windows 7 look of the control panel, if you're familiar with that, if you're comfortable with that. Basically, all you've got to do is create a new folder and name it this, right here. And what that will do is it will turn the folder into a link that opens up that sort of traditional looking control panel with all of those different features. So I'll copy paste this link into the description below if I remember, but you can find it online anyways. Again, this has been around for a while, but it's one of those things that it's good to revisit. So all you have to do is create a new folder. Nothing needs to be in it. You can just leave it as new folder for the moment. You're going to rename it. Now you could just directly name it then, but if you've clicked off of it, you can right click and do rename. Or you can highlight the folder and click F2, and then we're going to Control V, paste this name in there. You can type it out if you want to, but copy paste works easier. Hit enter, and you see the icon changes to this control panel icon, to the older looking control panel icon. And so again, this is the new control panel. Have a look at the GodMode control panel. And what you'll see is all of the things that are sort of deeper in here are still in here. They're just one click away. So if there's a particular setting that you know you need to get to, the GodMode control panel might be an easier, faster way to get to it. 1-2 clicks away. And you can see everything from like create and format hard disk partitions, which is probably the disk management section of manage under this PC, I would assume. Things like autoplay settings, BitLocker, date and time, ease of access. So this is things like the magnifier and the on-screen keyboard, I think is in here somewhere. Yeah, on-screen keyboard, file explorer options. These are like the view options. All sorts of settings are in here. And so this is just sort of a quick way to get to all of those hidden settings that are sometimes difficult to find in the new, Metro modern control panel, and they're all in one place. Again, this is a little more similar to how Windows 7 looked, but it's in File Explorer basically. All the links are in File Explorer rather than even going to a control panel from the start menu. So anyways, that's all it is. Hopefully that helps somebody. Enjoy.